split chickpea Ivy Gourd coconut milk stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the coconut milk recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the split chickpea recipes and one of the most delicious of the Ivy Gourd recipes and one of the most unique of the stew recipes. Today we are going to make split chickpea Ivy Gourd coconut milk stew. The ingredients are 100 grams of Ivy Gourd cut into pieces, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 25 grams of garlic, 8 to 10 shallots, 25 grams of ginger, 2 red chillies, 1 spoon of fennel seeds, 1 spoon of fenugreek seeds, 100 grams of split chickpeas soaked in water for around 1 to 2 hours. Heat the pan, pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Spread the oil in the pan. Once the oil is heated, put in the fenugreek seeds. Let them cook. Let the fenugreek seeds pop. Once they start popping, put in the fennel seeds and the red chili. Put in the shallots and ginger. Now put in the garlic, salt, and garlic, the rest of the mixture. Put in the tomato pieces, salt, put in the Ivy Gourd pieces, put in the split chickpea, salt, lightly salt, Put in salt to taste. Mix. Mix in the salt to taste. Pour in 300 ml of thin coconut milk. And mix thoroughly. And let the mixture cook for 15 minutes if in the pressure cooker or 35 minutes if in the open pan. Now the Ivy Gourd Split Chickpea coconut milk stew is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final Split Chickpea Ivy Gourd coconut milk stew, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes, one of the most unique of the coconut milk recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the chickpea recipes and one of the most delicious of the Ivy Gourd recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.